Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Bytecoin Basics. In this video I'll be teaching you how to set up a Bytecoin XMRIG miner on Bytecoin.party. So first, you go to Bytecoin.party, link in the description. And once you enter that link into your search bar, you will arrive at home. From home, you will move to Getting Started. From Getting Started, you scroll down over here to the Downloads, mining software. I would recommend downloading the CPU miner as this is the one I am using right now. And once you've downloaded that, use whatever file access thing you use. I use File Explorer. And then you extract the file. Once you've extracted the file, you open up the config. And in the config, you will type in this address, which is a mining pool. I will have a list of other mining pools you can use in the description. And here you put in your address. I will also have the link to my other tutorial on how to make an address on Bytecoin.money. Then once you've put that stuff in, now I can't run my miner right now since it's having some problems running, but I will show you a picture of what it should look like once you start it running and put in all the proper stuff. So it should look like this right here. It should be able to show a hash rate. It should show that jobs are accepted. You can also press H to show the speed. And as long as it shows like this, then your computer should be good. Thank you for watching Bytecoin Basics. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.